Hash from skinny fat to fit. A complete guide. By the end of the video, we'll know about transforming your body from skinny fat to fit. If you've been struggling with excess body fat and the lack of muscle definition, this guide will provide you with actionable steps to achieve a lean and muscular physique. Understanding skinny fat. The term skinny fat refers to a body type that appears thin but has a high body fat percentage and low muscle mass. This combination can lead to various health issues and an aesthetically unbalanced physique. The primary goals for someone who is skinny fat are to reduce body fat and increase muscle mass simultaneously. Step 1. Nutrition. Caloric intake. To transition from skinny fat to fit, you need to manage your caloric intake carefully. Calculate your total daily energy expenditure (TDEE) and adjust your calories to be slightly below maintenance for fat loss, while ensuring you consume enough protein to support muscle growth. Macronutrient ratios. Protein. Aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight. Carbohydrates. Essential for energy. Focus on complex carbs like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Fats. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dimetize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. Step 2. Training. Resistance training. Incorporate a structured weight training program that focuses on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. Aim for a balance between hypertrophy, muscle growth, and strength training. Cardiovascular exercise. While cardio is important for overall health and fat loss, it should not overshadow resistance training. Include moderate cardio sessions 2 to 3 times per week to aid in fat loss without compromising muscle gains. Step 3. Recovery. Sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Hydration. Stay well hydrated to optimize performance and recovery. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Step 4. Supplementation. Supplements can support your journey, but they should not replace whole foods. Consider incorporating protein powders to meet your protein needs. Creatine to enhance strength and muscle mass. Multivitamins to ensure you are meeting all your micronutrient needs. Conclusion. Transforming from skinny fat to fit requires a balanced approach that includes proper nutrition, effective training, adequate recovery, and the right mindset. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve the fit and healthy body you desire. By the end of this guide, you now have the knowledge and tools to start your transformation journey. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies. Good luck, and let's get started on this incredible journey together.